Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can transfer from MetaMask to Coinbase. So the first thing that you will have to do is, of course, you do have to make sure that you already have your Coinbase account and make sure to of course sign in. And after signing into your account, you should see the receive button right here. So it really depends on the layout of your screen and your version of Coinbase. And basically, what you will have to do after tapping receive, you will select your asset. So it could be Ethereum or something like that. And then you will basically just have to copy the Coinbase wallet address. And then after that, you will open your MetaMask. And of course, you do have to make sure that you're on the official website. And once you're here, you will just have to select the same asset. So you will just have to click send. And again, you do have to click the same asset, and then you will just have to paste your Coinbase address here, and then you will enter the amount and then click continue so that you will be able to confirm the network. And then again, tap next, confirm, and complete the security verification. And then you will just have to wait for the blockchain confirmation and check your Coinbase balance. And by the way, you do always have to make sure to double check the address and network to prevent loss. And that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.